Okay, Shahira, we will play, okay? You have to tell mommy what letter is it, okay? Opo?
Apple.
Opo. Okay. First?
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Good job, anak. Shahira, can you tell them what color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. What about this one?
Purple.
Purple. Very good. What about this one, baby?
Brown.
Brown. Very good.
Brown.
Opo.
Brown.
Oh, yes. Brown. That's brown. What about this one?
Oh. Orange.
Orange. Very good. Good job. Let's go. What about this one? Can you tell me what letter is this? What letter is this? M. Very good. What about this one? Ay! Bismillah.
Green.
Queen. Yeah, that's a queen. What letter is this?
Green.
Yeah, that's a queen for Q. What about this one?
Oh.
Oh. What about this one? Ay, no. What? No, wait. Ay,
That.
this one. What about this one?
T.
Very good. T. This one.
T.
V. Very good. This one. Yeah, that's an A. But what letter is this? Huh? H. Yeah, that's good. This one. What about this one? A. Very good. This one.
B.
B. Good one. This one.
B.
Oink. Yeah, that's a oink. But what letter is this? What letter is this? You don't like this one? It's haram. This one. What about this one? What letter is this?
No.
Yeah, that's anyang. But what letter is this?
E.
Very good! Mashallah! Wow! Good job! What letter is this? What letter is this?
No.
Hello. This one. What letter is this? Huh? What letter is this? F. What about this one? N. Very good. Right, good job. Let's go with animal sounds, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Shaira, what sound is this?
No.
Nay. Very good. What about this one? This one. Quack, quack, quack. Very good. Ay, wait lang. What about this one? The sheep.
Wow.
Ba. Very good. What about this one? Yeah, very good. What about this one?
Moon.
Moo. Very good.